Hi, I'm Keisha. I work with GetOurBestPrice.com to bring you the best products at the best price. Today, I'm here to introduce our review of the Galaxy S8 phone. This is the first in a series of video reviews of trending products that we think will be of interest to you. Enjoy.
The Samsung S8 has a sleek design. With its beautiful new wraparound screen, it delivers a really striking picture. It's also the most important Samsung phone right now. It's been helping restore buyers' confidence in Samsung after the double Note 7 battery disaster. There is no doubt that Samsung's flashiest phone lands at the top of the class. If you enjoy a bigger phone, you should consider the S8 or the larger, even more expensive S8 Plus. I believe that the S8 will prove less popular for some ladies because of its size when they carry a smaller purse, but overall they will love it. With a choice between 6 colors, you are sure to find the right one for you. From left to right, we have Midnight Black, Orchid Gray, Arctic Silver, Coral Blue, and Maple Gold. Samsung provides 4 different ways to unlock your phone: fingerprint, eyes, face, PIN. For me, the poorly placed fingerprint reader is a no-go. I have not been able to try the facial recognition or eye scan features, but they are definitely desirable for a secure phone. I will continue using the PIN until I have time to try the fingerprint and eye scan methods. Samsung's new 8-point battery in the Samsung S8 gets warm, but no more so than other smartphones. The battery lasts a pretty good long time, but I'm sure that as time goes by and the number of recharges add up, there will be some degradation in its performance. A comfortable fit in a man's or woman's hand, its tall narrow shape and curved sides are stunning. If it were a car, it would be in the Mercedes class. The screen is 5. The closer we get to $1,000 phones, the more important it becomes to protect them from damage and theft. As with any high-grade phone, you should definitely consider hiding its Samsung S8's beauty under a protective case. There are many good cases, but I prefer the OtterBox Defender. Overall, the Galaxy S8 is a very good upgrade for anyone that has a Galaxy S6, Galaxy S7, or earlier phone. Or, if you have a burned-out or outdated iPhone, why not change over to Galaxy S8 now? It is a moot point whether it warrants the expense to upgrade. The Galaxy S8 is an excellent choice when you are ready for the next generation of smartphones.
Hi, Keisha again. I hope you enjoyed our review. We will bring you at least one review each month from now on. If you would like to get more information about the product review that you have just watched, call 702-370-5486 or click on the button below.